넌 못 참아 됐잖아.
Hi sis, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It's been a little while since I've uploaded my channel, but I'm here back once again, and today we're starting some Stray Kids, doing a little catch up on videos, more in particular songs and dance practices. So we have Jisung's Volcano, sketch record. We have the Freeze dance practice, the Hellevator dance practice from the Skills 5th anniversary with this, and then we have Changmin Felix and Sungmin with Snail. There's Snain skills record, which dropped 2 days ago. So I have seen Hellevator and I've seen Freeze. I reacted to Freeze when it came out. So yeah, and I have seen Hellevator as well as original dance practice of it. So I'm really excited to see how they do and I've seen them perform it a lot over the course of as they grew up at different concerts. And I'm excited to see them do it in the dance practice form as much older, obviously, and I'm really shocked that they chose this song. And I mean, it is a song that holds a lot of memories. One is one of the very first song that they put out to the world for people to know that this is who they are. But let me not stop rambling on. This intro is already. Let's jump into Jisung and let's hear what he has to say. Judging by the thumbnail that he chose, I feel like it's going to be rap heavy.
나게 밝혀서 검은색의 밤도 너만 있다면 난 무섭지 않아 지금 바쁜 난 아직 너무 모자라 내 맘을 가릴 상처 가득히 덮어도 내게만 보였던 것처럼 맑고 나중에 온기가 따뜻해서 세상에 우리 난 나와 처음이라서 들키게 아파도 돼 네가 흘린 상처들은 감싸낼게 이미 내게 노는 죄 아프다고 달콤해서 거부는 못해 지겹게 타오라도 돼 옆에 날 상처내도 돼 네가 좋다면 나는 어떤 것도 될 수 있는 way Yeah, you can hurt me, I don't care You can hurt me, 바로 내게서 달라라는 저들과 달리 널 감싸줄게 Like a volcano 차가운 넌 녹을 것 같은 온도의 love 내가 미쳐 그자랑 내 곁에 걷어줘 전부 다 타버려도 괜찮아 수백 번도 익힌다 해도 내 선택은 언제나 You 내게 녹아들 수 있게 내 몸을 감싸줘 파도들이 속에 차갑고 거친 파도 속에 뜨거운 네가 필요해 You are my volcano 너는 가뭄에 넘비 나중에 너신의 네 맘이 관심 하나로 밝히 달라진 넘비 너의 품 날씬 나의 손 날씬 추락하던 날 잡아 다시 비행 몰락하던 나의 날들은 비였지만 너가 나타나는 귀에 걸린 내 볼이 내려오질 않아 왜 원해 go back 누구보다 제일 나는 그대에게 모든 걸 꺼내줄게 나는 매일 I can feel your nail 내일이 기다려진다 너의 웃음 이번엔 어떤 모습으로 밝아져 나를 키워줘 아파도 돼 네가 흘린 상처들은 감싸낼게 이미 내게 노는 죄 아프다고 달콤해서 거부는 못해 지겹게 타오라도 돼 옆에 날 상처내도 돼 네가 좋다면 나는 어떤 것도 될 수 있는데 Yeah, you can hurt me, I don't care Yeah, you can hurt me, 바로 내게서 달라라는 저들과 달리 널 감싸줄게 Like a volcano 차가운 넌 녹을 것 같은 온도의 love 내가 미쳐 그자랑 내 곁에 걷어줘 전부 다 타버려도 괜찮아 수백 번도 익힌다 해도 내 선택은 언제나 너 없이 못 살아 나는 곧 죽어도 너 번을 다시 태어나도 오직 너에게만 난 주고 싶어 뜨거워 내 속삭여 널 생각하면 내 맘 Like a volcano 차가운 넌 녹을 것 같은 온도의 love 내가 미쳐 그자랑 내 곁에 걷어줘 전부 다 타버려도 괜찮아 수백
Okay, so I feel like the Volcano had a mixture of the sounds I'm talking about first. I really like the song first of all. First and foremost, I always love every single solo Jason puts out. It's amazing lyricist, he's a rapper, vocalist, everything combined, composed, everything. It's just everything ace, and I love all. But the song that it gave me, it definitely seemed like Alien, but like seems like he found his place. It's like a continue. It felt like a continuation from Alien. Like he found his place now on Earth, and he isn't feeling as an alien anymore because he's surrounded by stray kids, things who don't see him as different, and they love him for who he is, and feel like so now he's found his place. That's what it kind of sounded like. It reminded me of that of Alien, and his tonality seemed it reminded me of Alien as well. And then the topics, it seemed to me it gave me a vibe of Wish You Back in a sense from the lyrics. It was talking about a relationship and stuff. But I felt like the relationship was kind of talking about was more about himself and music, or him being an idol in a sense. That he's like, even though like he sees like he loves music so much and he sees that as sin, but it's like it's too good. Um loves music and he will continue to love it even though there's ups and downs in this industry, and sometimes he faces harsh battles with music. He's gonna continue to do it because this is something that he loves and cares about so much. Like it's a guilty pleasure that he has, and that doesn't matter how many trials and errors and tribulations he goes through, he will always come back to it. And it doesn't matter like how many ups and downs he fights for music, that he's gonna come back to it. That's kind of the sense that I got from it. But in the beginning, I've learned to come that G-Song tends to give you an emotional roller coaster in his music and in his solos. He starts you off soft and he builds you up, and then he switches on you and he hits you with a rap flow. He starts off melodic or singing, giving you heavenly vocals, and then he switches up when the topic and it needs to be emphasized. He switches up, he hits you with the hard raps and the hard bars and syllables and everything. Love it, love it, love it. I've been waiting a while to react to this, so I'm so finally glad I've listened to it now. So next thing we're jumping into is the freeze dance practice. So I've been wanting to see this dance practice for a little while, in the sense that I saw them do a performance, but you know, I'm at work all the time. I just want a still view of all components of it. So I'm really glad that they decided to do an dance practice for this because I need to see it. So let's go. Dang, it's one of my favorite songs. This is it. Oh, because I love dancing. Pause. I love the raw, but just from that, I love the rawness that they have. It's definitely, it's not music on top. This is literally the music that they're hearing in the studio and dancing to. And I love that they're bringing back the kind of original rawness of dance practices that like we were accustomed to, just like back like the first Hellevator one, you could hear their footsteps and crunch it, and the music just playing in the speaker for them to dance to, and it's not just polished and clean. The music is so crystal clear. I like this. I like this. You hear the rawness. Cute. I'm so sorry. Let's go. Keep playing too much, guys. Come on, Millie. Like I can see your face clear now. Yes. Like dancing. Let's go, Millie. I said all I said in I literally said all I had to say in what was going on. I love that. I loved it so much. Now we're jumping into the next part. Is Hellevator. Hellevator is one of my favorite songs of Stray Kids, and Breezes as well. And I'm gonna continue to be singing Hellevator with my lungs out as well, because there's a lot for it. And I need to put up a little pause warning for these dance practices because I keep rewinding and starting over and pausing because I want to see every detail. So I'm gonna have to put a little triangle warning, pause, yeah, but and then continue to do that. So next, let's jump into Hellevator. Let's go. Let's go.
내 삶이 바닥 떨어진 어두운 터널 속을 걷고 있어 내게 잔인한 투명한 로버티고 있어
Special thanks to you, honestly. But just seeing that elevator division just made my heart so warm, honestly. to see the difference of how far they've come. Because if you can't see the improvement in their skills, like they were already so good in when Hellevator came out, in when it already came out. But just to see their improvement over the past 5 years, you know, from when Hellevator came out to now, you've seen them to see that they're a lot more polished, a lot more clean, a lot they're definitely more synchronized than they already were, which is so impressive to me that you were already that synchronized before and it's still improved now even more. Like they're because of their connection and the growth that they've come and over that 5 year period of them being together, you could definitely see the more connected connection and they've become in a sense one person. They are one person. And you can see that reflected in their dance and they're a lot more synchronized than before. Since which is insane, they already were so quality for their dancing has improved. A lot of members like Jongin for instance, he definitely has improved a lot and like tremendously from the survival show to now and it just shows how much hard work each and every one of them put in to become the way they are. Like, you know, who come onto the survival show, they know a thing about rapping and he sounds effortless on this track. And rapping all this time and rapping now, it shows how much dedication they've put in and how much time they've worked on this and it just shows, you know, it just makes me so proud of them. I'm really happy to be a stay. But we have one more thing today, which is another skills record. But this time we have Champion Felix and Snain. So, this is so cute. So I'm really excited to see this. No, and actually, we have to do some of these Japanese tracks that they did the other two, cause I need to see those. I haven't watched it yet. I just saw it come up inside there, and I haven't watched that yet. Should we put it in now? I think we should watch. We should put it in now. Then I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna put it in. So it wasn't. But I love this. So I lied. This is not the last one. We have one more after this. This gives us a. So let's go. So we start off with a little Instagram kind of feed of that. Stay We Love You, also sweet. Okay, so this is a little oh, so we can, I guess they're gonna be typing in there stuff, kind of like in the DMs, kind of like what Felix and Tommy did. 그대와 맞은 마지막 눈이 식혀가네요. 이 비가 내리면 쌓인 눈과 함께 아무 예고도 없이 어느새 떠나가 버렸나요. 마주한 그 눈에 담긴 마지막 이런 말 나만 느끼지 못했던 거죠. 유난히도 길었더니 겨울과 사라져버린 그대 온기 시리고 차가운 겨울을 다시 마주할 자신이 없는데 비바람아 몰아쳐라 흐르는 눈물 안 보이게 하나 둘씩 전부 다 쏟아지는 rain 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 소나기에 다시 껴내려가는 like Snain 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 그대 원해 까마득 눈과 함께 la 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 쌓인 눈과 함께 la 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 I'm gonna wash you out. Ooh, good job. 아무 미련도 없이 모든 걸 털어내버렸나요. 미련하게 못 버린 미련은 내게 시련이란 아픔만 남겨줬어. 이제 그대와 함께 나눌 수 있는 게 단 한 개도 없다게 퍼져 한 조각의 고백 그 못 채운 시간 내니까 지쳐 버리지도 못해. 비바람아 몰아쳐라 흐르는 눈물 안 보이게 하나 둘씩 전부 다 쏟아지는 rain 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 소나기에 다시 꺼내려가네 like Snain 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 그대 원해 까마득 눈과 함께 la 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 쌓인 눈과 함께 la 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 I'm gonna wash you out.
괜찮게 남겨졌네. 이 비바람이 남기고 간 자리에 짚어끼는 이 거리 위로 내 발은 무겁지만 떼어보려 해. 스쳐가는 순간 속 생각할 틈조차 없게 흘러가는 시간 나 몰아쳐라 더 빠르게 그리움에 사무쳐 버린 마음을 다시 고쳐 널 떠나보낼게 다 잊을게. 서서히 녹아가는 눈 위를 걸어가네요. 서로를 들친 채 서서 다른 곳을 향해 쏟아지는 rain, rain, rain 소나기로 다시 겨내려가는 like Snain, Snain, Snain 그대와 내 까마진 눈과 함께 la 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 sky 눈과 함께 la 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 I'm gonna wash you out.
I love the performance that they did for the it reminds me of this part here with the videos where they type out the lyrics from with Vinny and Lexi's sorry I love you. That's the reason. That no the song their duet sketch record that they did. I love the way they kind of did like an Instagram sense, and I love the title 2018 33rd 25th 25. I love that the attention to detail that they put in and like took the time to take pictures and make it cute Instagram feed and stuff, which I found really nice. I love the song. This is a trio that I never really thought would make a song together. I don't know why. I never thought about it. But they sound lovely together. Obviously. But I really like the song. I like talking about it, and I'll be replaying it more often. But we have one more song, which wasn't planned, but will be in here now since So we have their Japanese song there. So I heard this one. From what I'm seeing, it's very much interactive, like your eyes. It's very interactive, like that. So let's go. I think we started off with Lixie. We started in frame. That's Lixie. No, that's Jisung. Sorry, with his little glasses. So let's go. Unexpected, but here. Okay, Chani. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely much interactive, just like your eyes.
Oh, I think of you. I only fall for you. Feels like a never-ending waterfall. Oh, I'm still a fool. I look up at the stars all day and night. 'Cause I know you're waiting, I'll be right there. 一人で見上げる星の夜空、星を見つけてはじまし当てた。あの頃とはもう違って今日の空は今の僕を物語るよ。冷たく寂しい風が吹いて海は色を失ってく。でも青く光る思い出はどんな波にも流されない。I'm thinking about you, girl. 君がいないこの場所で君といたこの場所で Baby, I still think of you all the time. I feel it now, oh girl. 思い出すべてのこと眠れそうにないよ I know that it'll never stop. Oh, I'll stay right there. 優しい月の光君も見えているかな世界一長かけ橋になるなら会えのにな Every minute, every hour 変わらずにいる僕はまだどんな星も君ほど照らせながら I'm thinking about the night sky in your eyes 離せない空間 You and I 今だけ One good time
He's in an album shop. Back up. I was talking.
僕はまだどんな星も君ほど照らせながら I'm thinking about you, girl. 君がいないこの場所で君といたこの場所で Baby, I still think of you all the time. I feel it now, oh girl. 思い出すべてのこと眠れそうにないよ I know that it'll never stop. Oh, I'm still right there.
We're
Oh,
shopping
I
with
think
Jamie.
of you. I only fall for you.
Yeah.
Feels like a never-ending waterfall. Oh, I'm still a fool. I look up at the stars all day and night. 'Cause I know you're waiting. I'm thinking about you, girl. 君がいないこの場所で君といたこの場所で Baby, I still think of you all the time. I feel it now, oh girl. 思い出すべてのこと眠れそうにないよ I know that it'll never stop. Oh, I'm still right there.
Too many. Y'all be playing into our playing into my delusions. Oh, let me from like that real quick. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to Stray Kids, G-Songs, Volcano, Skills Record, Freeze Dance Practice, Hellevator Dance Practice for the 5th anniversary, as well as Chairman Felix and Sumini, Snain, Skills Record, and their from the Japanese, and their Japanese MV. You guys enjoyed my reaction to all of them. I'm so excited to be reacting to more again. I am feeling a little sick, but it's okay. We're gonna push through, thrive, and film more videos for you guys because I have a lot of catching up to do. So stay tuned for my next kids reaction. Will be next week, and we're gonna go through like interviews and skit stalkers, skit stalker goals that we have to go through. So yeah, have those things to get through. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe to your notifications so you know when I post more Stray Kids videos. And as I'm seeing here, I have they did 2 more first takes. I have to react to those as well. So we'll probably do those next week instead. We'll sort it out. But we have those to go through as well. A lot of catching up to do. But that's all I really have for you guys, days. I'll see you guys all in my next reaction video. Bye everyone.